My name is Nee Fagbemi. I'm a Nigerian born and bred travel and documentary filmmaker, and I am super happy to have worked on the MTN Sights and Sounds project. You see, it is really important for we as Nigerians and for we as Africans to tell our own story in the best way possible. I've been privileged to travel across many states in Nigeria. I've been privileged to document many cultures, beautiful landscapes, beautiful scenery, beautiful architecture. And there is so much untapped potential in Nigeria, and there is also so much untapped potential in the African continent. A lot of the videos and the pictures that we see of places outside of Nigeria and outside of Africa, we have them here in Nigeria as well. Unfortunately, these places haven't been spotlighted enough. There is a negative perception about Nigeria and about Africa that has been painted that can only be corrected when we as Africans and we as Nigerians continue to consistently tell our own stories in the best way possible. And one thing that makes me happy to work on the MTN Sights and Sounds project with other creators is that we're able to show and educate people about what we have in our communities, what we have in our backyards, and what we have in our nation. Through this project, I was able to visit different states. We went to Kwara State, went to Enugu, we traveled to Plateau State. I've been able to eat different foods that I can't even remember the names, meals that I haven't tasted before, meet people, travel to communities, visit beautiful landscapes. And one thing that was consistent across board in all the communities we went to, in all the places that we visited, was that there was always a story to tell, or there was always something to show about all these places that haven't been shown online yet. So I'm encouraging you as a creator. You don't necessarily have to be a creator to tell Nigeria's story. It could be in your field in whatever way possible, to just tell the Nigerian story, to jump on the MTN Sights and Sounds trend and also the competition that is ongoing as well. Thank you very much.